So, hello everyone and welcome back. And today I'm up with a interesting topic to discuss about. Now, before we get to our video, I have something to discuss from you about. I am really and pretty sure that everyone here has watched Skibidi Toilet episode 25, season 25. But for some reason and some unknown reason, Skibidi Toilet season 25 has been deleted from the Food Boom's channel. And nobody knows exactly why it was happening. But of course, there has to be a reason why it was deleted. The reason is not really clear now. I think we will get to know that in the further episodes. Or maybe it could be that he just had some additions to do with the episode. But that's a different matter. We have a video for today. And today I'm going to discuss about what the Astro Toilets really hold in their spinning roulettes. These are on their hips where the toilet is attached to these wheels. And now, if you didn't know, every Astro Toilet has something spinning in their bodies. This is for a sole purpose that I am going to explain in this video. Now, every Astro Toilet, including the basic ones, have these spinning roulettes around their hips where the toilet is located. These has to have some use, right? Now, I am going to explain what use they are of in this video. So, let's begin with the basics, of course. So, of course, if you didn't know, every Astro Toilet has these and it has a similar aura around them like the Astro Retainers. The aura which Astro Retainers contain in his arms. There are basic explanations of this and it's really simple, but it's actually complicated as well. These are nothing but some power generators for the Astro Toilets. Now, in order to explain this, there is a simple explanation for this. I am sure everyone in their life has seen some turbines, which are basically some huge fans which are meant to produce and collect electricity from the air. They produce electricity by spinning. And just like that, and exactly like that, Astro Toilets collect energy just by spinning their roulettes. And of course, these are meant to produce power for the Astro Toilets to speed bleeds. Astro Toilets has their own mind and stamina for their fights and their movements. But in order to speed bleeds, they have to conserve some energy in order to do the speed blitzing things. And this single thing is enough to answer every doubt you had about the large Astros and the small Astros being the same speed or different speeds. And if you're dumb enough and still don't get how it's possible to do this, I am going to explain to you everything there is to know. Now, the basics are that these are the rotators and they generate electricity or energy for them and they conserve it for speed blitzing later. Which is pretty obvious how they speed bleeds. Now, if you see in the normal glitch toilets and the other toilets, this is very similar to like the glitch Punjerman we see in episode 53. It's like small toilets which can speed blitz any moment, anytime without any cooldowns. Because they are so small, they don't need much energy. And of course, we also know our UFO toilet. He is the commander right now and he is actually pretty fast even in fights and he can use his speed blitzing ability everywhere, anywhere, in short range, long range, doesn't matter. Which is pretty obvious why he can, because he's so slow and he can contain energy so much. He's like a mini tank who can consume infinite energy with his small body. But there's another doubt which arises from this theory. Why can't the large toilet speed blitz at any moment instantly? So there's a simple and easy and really not hard to understand implement on this structure. So as everyone knows, the large Astro Toilets are really large and they are like even bigger than Titans and the G-Man toilet. So of course, they need a lot of energy to even travel normally. So in order to speed blitz, they have to conserve a lot of energy in order to speed blitz just once in a day. Now, this is like if you have the UFO toilet speed blitz 20 times, it will be equal to 1 time of a large Astro Toilet. That's how much energy they conserve in order to speed blitz even once. Which really answers every question why the large toilets are not fast at all in fights. Everyone thought that the Astro Toilets are fast in fight as well and they can speed blitz while fighting. But the answer is no, they are not. Only the small Astros can speed blitz during a fight. But when the large Astros are fighting, they need to fight slowly and on their speed. Because of course, they cannot speed blitz between a fight. They have to keep their own speed in order to move and do reflexes, dodge attacks and anything. But if they want to travel, they can use their speed blitzing ability to just travel in 1 second. So that should answer every question in your mind and that is going to be for it today. So I hope you like the video and I hope you will subscribe as well and leave a comment. That is going to be it for this. So everyone, bye.